The Power of Focus is a self-help book co-authored by Jack Canfield, Mark Victor Hansen, and Les Hewitt. The book emphasizes the importance of maintaining focus and developing the discipline necessary to achieve success in life. It is designed to help readers create clarity, set meaningful goals, and remain committed to those goals, despite the distractions and obstacles that might arise. The book is structured into several key areas, each focused on a different aspect of developing focus and achieving success. Below is an in-depth summary of the book's main concepts, including some of its core principles and strategies. Overview of The Power of Focus. The Power of Focus presents a simple but profound message. Success requires focus. The authors explain that focus isn't just about staying attentive to what's in front of you, but about making conscious choices, aligning your thoughts, habits, and energy with your long-term goals. They argue that focus is the key to everything, from building wealth and personal relationships to enhancing productivity and achieving personal growth. The book stresses that many people fail to achieve their goals because they lack clarity and focus, or they become distracted by less important things. Through actionable advice and insights, the authors suggest that anyone can dramatically improve their life by developing the power of focus. Key themes of the book. The importance of clarity. One of the central ideas of the book is that to develop focus, you must first gain clarity about your goals. Without clear goals, your focus will be scattered, and your efforts won't lead you anywhere. The authors argue that successful people are clear about what they want and know how to prioritize their time and energy to get there. Discipline is the cornerstone of focus. The authors stress that self-discipline is the ability to stay committed to your goals, even when it's difficult or when you encounter setbacks. Successful people develop habits of discipline over time that help them maintain focus and consistency. Much of the focus-related advice in the book revolves around developing positive habits. The authors suggest that habits are the key to automating focus. When your habits align with your goals, you don't have to exert conscious effort all the time. The right actions become automatic. Eliminating distractions. The book explores the ways that distractions can derail progress. The authors recommend various strategies for minimizing distractions and staying on task. This could mean setting boundaries, saying no to less important commitments, or even using technology in a more intentional way. The power of positive thinking. The authors emphasize that maintaining a positive mindset is vital for staying focused. Negative thoughts can lead to self-doubt, procrastination, and fear of failure, all of which can hinder your ability to stay on track. The importance of relationships. The book also touches on the role of supportive relationships in helping individuals stay focused. Surrounding yourself with like-minded, successful people can keep you motivated and help you avoid negative influences that might distract you from your goals. Time is one of our most limited resources, and the authors stress the need to manage it effectively. Focused individuals allocate their time intentionally, eliminating non-essentials and committing time to what truly matters. While much of the advice in The Power of Focus is applicable to personal development, the authors also provide strategies for improving financial health and career success. They emphasize that financial freedom is a byproduct of focus on the right activities. The first chapter introduces the fundamental concept that success depends on focus. The authors share that highly successful people all have one thing in common. They know where they're going and stay focused on their goals. The chapter stresses that focus is more than just attention. It's about committing to a path and blocking out distractions. A key lesson in this chapter is learning to say no to things that do not serve your long-term vision. Chapter 2. Clarity. To focus, you need clarity about what you truly want. The authors explain that without clarity, you will have a scattered mind and your energy will be misdirected. The chapter includes exercises for defining your goals and creating a clear vision for your life. It also talks about the importance of aligning your goals with your core values, as this is what will keep you motivated. Chapter 3. The Magic of Discipline. Discipline is described as the key to consistent action and sustained focus. The chapter explains that discipline doesn't just happen. It is built over time through the habits we cultivate. The authors recommend creating a daily routine and sticking to it, even when you don't feel like it. This develops the inner strength to focus on the most important tasks, even when there are easier, more tempting alternatives. Chapter 4. The Role of Habits. This chapter builds on the idea of discipline by discussing the power of habits. The authors assert that successful people develop good habits that support their goals. They offer practical advice on how to create new, positive habits and break free from negative ones. For example, focusing on small, incremental changes that can gradually lead to big transformations. Chapter 5. Time Management. Effective time management is crucial for maintaining focus. The chapter offers strategies such as the 80-20 rule, focusing on the 20% of activities that produce 80% of results, and prioritizing tasks. The authors encourage readers to block out time for important activities and to avoid wasting time on trivial tasks that don't move them forward. Chapter 6. Eliminating Distractions. In this chapter, the authors explain how distractions are the enemy of focus. They offer practical tips for minimizing distractions, such as managing technology, setting boundaries with people, and organizing your environment. They also discuss the importance of mental discipline in combating distractions. Techniques like mindfulness and focusing on the present moment can help reduce the internal distractions that derail progress. Chapter 7. The Power of Positive Thinking. A positive mindset is crucial for staying focused, and this chapter explores the connection between optimism and success. The authors explain that negative thinking can cloud your focus, leading to procrastination and self-doubt. They suggest replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations and visualizing success. Chapter 8. The Importance of Relationships. Surrounding yourself with positive, focused individuals is an essential part of maintaining focus. The chapter discusses the influence of relationships on success and offers strategies for building a supportive network. The authors stress that the people you spend time with will either help you stay focused or distract you from your goals. They encourage readers to seek out mentors and accountability partners. This chapter dives into how focus impacts career and financial success. The authors share strategies for managing money, making wise investments, and building long-term wealth. They also provide advice on setting career goals, finding a mentor, and staying focused on professional development. The final chapter offers a wrap-up of the key concepts of the book and stresses that living a focused life is about consistently applying the principles outlined throughout the book. It encourages readers to take action, stay committed, and continuously refine their focus as they move forward in their personal and professional lives. Focus is not a passive trait. It is a skill that can be cultivated through intentional practice and discipline. Clarity is essential for focus. Know what you want and why you want it. Success requires good habits, and habits are built over time through consistent actions. The ability to eliminate distractions and manage time effectively is essential for maintaining focus. Positive thinking and a supportive environment are crucial for staying motivated and on track toward your goals. The Power of Focus is a powerful guide to achieving success in any area of life by harnessing the power of focus. By providing concrete strategies for clarity, discipline, time management, and eliminating distractions, the book offers a comprehensive roadmap to living a more focused and successful life. The authors argue that focus is the foundation of all success, and that anyone can achieve their goals by cultivating a focused mindset, aligning their actions with their values, and remaining disciplined in the pursuit of their vision.